In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this egg. First, remove the cube. Then add mesh UV sphere. Make sure to change the segments to 16 and range to 10. Go to edit mode, select the top, go to front view, use the proportional editing, move along the z-axis. Go back to object mode, make it smooth, and make a copy with Shift D along the x-axis. Go back to your first egg, flash. Go to edit mode, use the wire view, select these spaces and these spaces. Go to vertex, go to vertex, face map, add face map and rename it to shells and assign. Select these, name it to inner, assign. Just to check. Good. Go to front view again. Edit mode. Wire view. This. Select inner. Please. Select inner. Select. Scale. No. Move this. Okay. No. Extrude and scale. Like this. This. These. Select like that. Yeah, two sides. Good. If it's giving you this weird looking shape, just go to vertex, mold, smooth, and make it 30 or 25. Okay, go back here, scale, Y, I think, just like that. And good. Then select spaces, select these spaces, and these spaces. I for insert, E for extrude, and S to scale. Then scale along the z-axis and along the x-axis. Maybe that's more like that. Front view again. Okay, now we're gonna add some material. Here, material, new, go to base color and click on the yellow dot. Image texture, open, select the file, but you can find the link in the description. Which I already have. File, here, go to UV editor, select everything here, click on view, project from view, go to vertex, select the shell. Okay, you know what? Select everything. Okay. Yeah, everything. Go here, get it down. Go to G, bring it here. A bit more, bring it over here, like that. Pretty good. Now go to here, select, and bring this one here. Let's make it blue like that. Yeah. So if you want to see the colors in this view post, just press Z, preview material. Or you can just go here. So that's it. Now we're gonna add some colors to this ruby here. Edit, inner, select. We need to add some here. Inner, select, like that. Yeah, I like it. Bring it to reddish color. There we can see lots of to show all this gradient. Yeah. That's cool. You can also have some variants of this egg. Just select here the color G control, and you can make it golden, greenish, some kind of exclusive maybe. And here you go.